quiet, very smooth. Right?
This is a Kenworth T680 fuel cell electric vehicle. It's got some pickup.
It's an electric car. We estimate 450 miles of range at 82,000 pounds loaded, which is pretty good.
Yep. And how long does it take to fill up typically?
About 15-20 minutes.
Okay. Are you able to put the regen braking on there?
That's level 1. That's level 2. This is level 3.
Whoa.
Stop.
Yeah.